Do I wish I had a soda? Yes. Do I need a soda? That depends on who you're asking. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday, so if you like what you see, hit that like and or subscribe button because you should. I don't have anything else for that. Yeah. Today's box, I couldn't wait. We went out hiking this morning, really fun, got a sunburn, but I came back to Homeboy here sitting outside my front door and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to open this now. Because I just made my selection like last week, it feels like. So without further ado, we're gonna open this now. And for those of you who don't know or are new here, I like to open some things up, usually the things that I purchased through the mail, which has been a lot lately. Thank you, pandemic. FabFitFun is one of the boxes that I was gifted. Thank you very much, Boo, for the wonderful gift. I love this. The gift that keeps on giving. This will be my fourth, I want to say, my fourth FabFitFun box. And I, for the most part, like what I get in here. I mean, we're going to open it and see what's inside anyway. And I like how they do like the little eco packaging now. It's really cute. Adorable. Any hoozle. Cute. Okay. Ooh. Before I drop everything on the floor, here's what the inside of the box looks like. Whole bunch of stuff on top. Let's take it off here. It's all up in there. We have a few things. It seems like I always get something from HelloFresh, which is okay. I mean, the portion sizes don't exactly work for my family, so we don't do it. I've done it before when it was just me and a significant other, and the portion sizes were still pretty small, so I had to up it to 3 or 4 people. But yeah, I can't do that, not with growing boys. That's not how that works. And how cute are these? Stickers. Aww. It says FabFitFun. Grow Forth, Spring 2021. It's your time to bloom. They have little flowers on here. Some of those are definitely going on my phone. Just throwing it out there. And then this, what is this? Oh, detach the postcard below and send it to a friend today. Then put the postcard spot. Huh, okay. So this is kind of like a little promotional thing from FabFitFun. This part is for me, like a little poster, little postcard poster I can keep for myself. And this on the back here is something I would mail to a friend to get $15 off their first FabFitFun box. Probably not something I'm going to do. Most of the people that I know don't really do this kind of stuff. It's really just me. So. Oh, and before I forget, the FabFitFun magazine, which is actually pretty cool. It has a whole bunch of stuff in here. Of course, it has like everything that you could have gotten in the box this season. Little tips and tricks on stuff. Workouts. Meals. Exclusive offers. The spring edit sale. Oh, those are cute. What are you? Thank you, cards. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff in there. FabFitFun magazine. I like to read it. You may not. We're all a little different. Underneath all of that is our FabFitFun box. Ooh, let's see what we got here. The first item on top, it's a little one. And actually, I just got this in my BoxyCharm. You'll see if you haven't seen already, but you'll see. It is from Earth Harbor. It is MARINA BIOME Brightening AMPOULE from Earth Harbor. I think it's a so it's just a bunch of oils that brighten the skin for even, radiant complexion. Let me see if I can open it to get a better look. Oh, we're well packaged. Oh, that's cute. I something green in my... I'm gonna have to double check. This is cute. So it's just a bunch of oils, good for your skin. It smells very, very earthy and musky. So that's a maybe. I don't know, I like my Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm. I still use that stuff like in the morning after the shower. Like when I get my hands on it, I use it because it smells so good and it feels great. So maybe this is the same. Who knows? Pretty cool. Next we have, what are you? Say hello. Okay. Hello. These little guys. They're like little, 3 little puffs. What are you? Oh, beauty rounds. Oh, okay. Cool. So they're like little powder puffs. 3 reusable beauty rounds. Huh. I mean, I just bought myself a bunch of beauty rounds, but these are kind of cute and they're fluffier, so these might be more for makeup instead of the ones I have. Those are more like skincare. So okay, we're cool. I'm digging this. We doing this. All right. Thank you, FabFitFun. And then, what are you? Gloss MODERNE Clean Luxury Hair Mask. Moisture treatment hair mask for instant gratification. Shine weekly or daily. Leave in hair as long as you want. Rinse. Get glossed. Apply to wash hair for 5 minutes or even overnight. Rinse. So it's a hair mask. Okay, cool. That is nice. I do like hair masks. Not all of them. I've learned the hard way, but okay. That's pretty cool. Thank you. FabFitFun. Next, we have Sun's Out Pouts Out infused with Cica. I want to say Cica and honeysuckle flower extract. I can't talk, but yeah. 4 pieces of gold foil lip mask is what it is. And these are actually really cute looking. I don't think I've ever tried little lip mask. I've tried the eye ones, which I feel are really nice. They make my eyes feel so good. But these I've never tried. It's gonna soothe, nourish, make my lips kissable and softer. Okay. All right. We'll see. There's a lot in here. Oh, and this next item, it says tweezers with pouch from Summer and Rose. Simple, but okay. I mean, you could always use tweezers, and if I can open it. It smells nice. Is that you? That can't be you. A little foamy. Okay, go in the box. Can you come out of the... Ooh. Oh, okay. There's a lot of packaging. Just foamy stuff in there. Put you back in there. Oh, that's cute though. The tweezers look pretty nice too. So it's a little pouch and your tweezers, and they're like this soft cream color with like peach and pink roses on them. That's adorable. I like that. I do have some tweezers now that I carry around with me. I don't care too much for them, so this will be a huge upgrade. Possibly. We'll see. Summer and Rose. Next, we'll do this item because it's already opened. It's from the Grown Alchemist. It is body cream, and I think this is actually one that I picked. Yeah, this. The box is really trashed. Looks like it was jammed in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat the box. But this looks really pretty. It was the size of the product that really got me. I wanted to try a few different things, especially now with the hand washing and everything never going away. Hand washing, sanitizer, gloves, like you name it. My hands, my poor hands, they just go through it. So any kind of lotion, body cream, what have you, I'm there for it. I'm okay with it. That's pretty cool. That was, I think, how many items could it pick? A couple? I'm gonna have to look. I don't know. Next, we have 2 large boxes. I'll start with this one, which I do remember picking. I was kind of excited, even though I'm like, what? But I wanted it, okay? This is an LED indoor planter. Indoors. That means I don't need windows. How cool is that? I can take this to work, have it at my desk, chill all day with it. It's adorable. I want to open it because I want to see it. I'm excited. Oh, gotcha. Ooh. Yeet. Oh. Alright. I opened it backwards, or it was put in here backwards, but here it is. It's a tiny little thing. It's nothing big, nothing dramatic. It's going to be really sleek, very modern, minimal. You may not even notice it at my desk. That's how cute it is. That's adorable. Thank you, FabFitFun. Ugh, I'm going to put it away. And then, oh, what are these? Oh, these are cute little basil leaves. Basil seeds that came with the kit. So I guess I could just pop it in there. Does it come with, what are you? Our Place? Oh, this I also picked. I remember. I picked it. Our Place. Cute packaging, by the way. Minimal, simple, beautiful. Let me just open it and show you anyway, because the lunchbox. We make the kitchen things you love. Oh, we make the kitchen things you need to cook the food you love. This is for the leftovers. This is not the leftovers. Well, technically, kind of. But at the same time, no. Let's see. Yes. I'm not too keen on the color, but that's okay. It is what it is. I really like this design. Looks like you come together pretty well. So I just slip this from under you, and then off comes a little strap. Oh, open comes the top, which has a nice little rubber seal. We have a fork. Do you go here or here? Here. We have a fork. They kind of came undone. I think you might go here. Maybe? Oh, nothing might go there. That's okay. So, knife, spoon, fork, chopsticks. Yes! Cute. And then, how do I get to the food? Oh, it's sealed. Oh. Cool. Little silica gels. Eat. And of course you have your little box. It comes out so you can wash it. You can wash the whole container, what have you. That's adorable. You pop your little whatever in here, your leftovers, your lunch, your meal for the next day. And then we put this on top. Seal it. Maybe? No? Not very well? How do I seal this? Okay, so seal it. These are on top, and then seal this up here. And then we take our strap, hook it on the side, around, hook it on the other side. Okay, so with the seals and the strap, I feel pretty confident that this is going to be safe, possibly leak-proof. I don't really bring too much stuff to work or out and about that's not leak-proof or that's watery, I guess. So that's pretty neat, actually. I don't care for the pink, but it's adorable. I'll put it back in the box. That's cute. And then that is it for our FabFitFun box. This will be all of my goodies from my FabFitFun box. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I wanted to try and arrange them to where you can get a good look. There is a lot. I'm gonna say this, it's a lot. I'm probably never gonna not say that, but there's a lot. That is all I had for you today. I'm gonna sit here and go through my FabFitFun magazine, see what's what, how much some things are, the different variations. I think it's fun, for me at least, to go through and see all the different variations different people could have gotten. I like that I have the yearly subscription because I get to pick, I think, one or two more than like the normal month-to-month people, which is pretty cool. So if you get the chance, yearly is definitely better. But if you're just trying it out for the first time, probably do a month, see if it's something you're interested in, and then go for the year. Just a little heads up. Anywhoozle, thank you for hanging out with me. We will do this again. We do it every Thursday, Sunday, so I'll catch you then. Bye.